So in such type of question, friend, you have to firstly multiply the first digit of the first term with the both digit of the second term, okay, and then with the second digit you will multiply both the digit of second term, okay. So 5 into 2 plus 5 into root 5, okay. Now there is a sign of plus before root 7, so you will write plus, so you will write plus root 7 into 2 plus root 7 into 2. Then there is a sign of plus before root 5, so you will write plus root 7 into root 5, okay. Now when you will simplify, so 5 into 2 10 plus 5 root 5 plus, this is a multiplication, so 2 root 7 plus, okay, so plus both the terms are in root only, so root will multiply in the single root, so root 7 into root 5 will be root 35. The base of these digits are not same, so they will not be added up further, okay, so this will be your answer. Now moving to your second question, so if you carefully see, then you will find that this is nothing but your a plus b into a minus b type of question, okay. So the simple solution is, when such type of question is given, you have to just write a plus, when it is given a plus b into a minus b, then simply expand that term and write a square minus b square. So you can see a plus b and a minus b, so both the 5 are same in the both the terms, okay. So now this will become a square minus b square, you know these things, so you don't have to do anything, you just expand it according to your formula, okay. So this will become, so here how you will write in your exam, so write given a is equals to 5 and b is equal to root 5, okay. Now as per your identity, this will become a square minus b square, you know, so using identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, you know these things. So using such identity, you will get a square as 5 square minus b square is root 5 to the whole square, so 5 square will become 25, and you know root 5 square is how much, 5 only. I have explained this in earlier videos, okay, you can see in the box. So 25 minus 5 will be 20 only, okay. So this will be your answer. Now you can solve it with the method that I have shown you in question number first. So how will you solve? So suppose this type of question, if you have to solve with long method, so you will multiply the first digit with the both digit of the second term, and then with the second digit you will multiply the both digit of second term, okay. So in this way you will solve such type of question, and you have to be carefully choose the sign, okay. I hope you are getting my point. So now digits will multiply separately, and this will become 5 root 5, then there is a sign of plus, so plus 5 root 5. Now there is a both the values are in root only, so root will multiply together, so there is a sign of plus, then 5 under root 5 into under root 5, so it will become 5 into 5, but there is a sign of negative, so this will become 25. So here you can see minus 5 root 5 and then plus root 5, so they will cancel out. Now you have left only 25 plus minus 25 in the root, okay. So you will write 25, and you know 25 is the square root of 5, you can write this like this. So you will get what, you will get 25, and there is a sign of plus, so 25 plus and minus 5 will be coming out from the root, so 25 plus minus 5 from the roots, so it will become 25 minus 5, so you will get 20 as your answer. So both the answer are same in both the methods, so you have to decide which method you are going to follow, but I will suggest you should follow the above method, okay. So this will be very easy because you have to put only the values in the formula only, so 20 will be your answer. So you can write this in your board exams, the first method. Okay, now moving to your third question. So third question is very easy because it is nothing but your a plus b square wala formula. Okay, so you can expand according to your a plus b to the whole square. So when you expand, you will get a square plus b square. In the place of b square, you will write root 7 to the whole square, then 2ab. Okay, I hope you are getting. So your a is root 3 and your b is root 7. So root 3 to the whole square will be 3 plus root 7 to the square will be 7 plus 2 into root 3 into root 7 will multiply together. It will be root 21. Okay, now your independent digit will add. So 3 plus 7 will be 10 and this 2 will not be added because 2 is with multiplication of under root 21. Okay, so here you will get 7 plus 3 will be 10 plus 2 root 21. 2 will not be added up because 2 is with root 21 and it was in multiplication. So this will be your answer, 10 plus 2 root 21. It will be not added. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Now moving to your fourth question. So how will you do this question? So firstly you will identify which identity is useful in this question. So a minus b into a plus b is useful, so its value will be a square minus b square. You know these small things. Now how will you write in your board exam? You will write, since the above question has identity a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay, now we have, as per the question, a is equals to what? A is equals to root 11, sorry. So root 11 in the both the terms are there, and b is equals to what? Root 7. Okay, so as per your identity, when you will use a square minus b square, so you have a is equals to root 11 and b is equals to root 7. Now when you will use the identity a square minus b square, then you will have root 11 square. So putting values of a and b, you will have in the identity, you will have a square minus b square. So what you will write in place of a square? Root 11 square minus root 7 square. So root 11 square what? 11 only, minus root 7 square is what? 7 only. So 11 minus 4 how much? 4. Okay, I hope you got the point. Okay, and I hope you learned all the questions. Okay, so we will do next exercise in next video. Okay.